All right, perfect.
The metaverse is an extension of our world. It has concert venues, museums, and even robot training grounds. New virtual spaces are appearing daily as more and more people discover we are only limited by our imagination. Facebook brought virtual worlds into the spotlight when it changed its name to Meta and unveiled its vision for a digital future called the metaverse, where people can play, shop, create, and collaborate using both virtual and augmented reality. But to unlock the metaverse, Meta turned to NVIDIA and its Omniverse. The internet is largely comprised of 2D information, text, voice, video, and images. But NVIDIA is changing that by creating a simulation and collaboration platform to build new 3D virtual worlds. Its Omniverse is designed to be the foundation that connects virtual worlds. Artists, game developers, scientists, companies, and creators can use Omniverse tools to create and run 3D assets and scenes from a laptop or workstation. It's being heavily used already, with Mercedes-Benz utilizing it to train autonomous vehicles and BMW building automated factories in the Omniverse itself. Some scientists are even using the space to train robots. Still, Omniverse is just one part of the metaverse. NVIDIA is focusing on research and industry applications, while in Facebook's vision, the metaverse is a space for everyone. Digital avatars will be able to join virtual worlds for immersive experiences, whether that's work, travel, or entertainment. Omniverse will be partly used to build the metaverse, which will consist of a few main spaces. Horizon Home acts as your avatar's home base. It's the first thing you'll see when you put on the VR headset. It might contain parts of your actual home that you've created virtually, or things that are only possible in the metaverse. You can invite friends over to watch videos, hang out, or play games in your personalized space the same way you would in real life. Horizon Workrooms let groups work collaboratively in the same virtual room from anywhere. Teams can jump into a room to brainstorm, pitch, or even socialize more naturally than over a video call. Using AR or VR, you can join a shared physical space, check Slack without turning to your computer screen, or even go into focus mode on a beach in the tropics. Horizon Worlds is an opportunity to build anything you can imagine within a virtual space. You can create a mind-bending escape room, your own paintball course, or host a surprise party for your best friend. Meta says that its creation tools will be efficient and intuitive, allowing anyone to bring their ideas to life. In the future, students and professionals could also use Omniverse like they would use the metaverse, an entrance point into the manufacturing space. But just how far into the future are we talking? Well, Mark Zuckerberg believes the metaverse will become mainstream within the next 10 years, but there are some factors standing in the way of this timeline. For instance, in order to access the metaverse, users need a certain level of technology. VR headsets will need to be cheaper, easily accessible, more comfortable, and more advanced. Perhaps Snapchat's spectacles will make a comeback. Regardless, it's likely that the sector will flourish in the near future. A research firm estimates that the market for metaverse technologies topped $49 billion in 2020 and will grow at a rate of more than 40% each year. But as our world becomes more connected than ever before, we need to be prepared. The metaverse will likely become a part of every aspect of our daily lives. By this time in 2030, you could be working, vacationing, and socializing in the metaverse. Are you ready to create your avatar and join the metaverse?